Burgess from Teagasc's Agricultural Catchments Programme, and this is a short video on a recently launched website called acpmet, which gives an hourly update on the weather in the 6 agricultural catchment areas that we work with. So to view this website, I'm going to open up the browser on my iPhone, which is Safari. So I'm clicking on Safari, and I'm going to type in the address of the website acpmet.ie and click on Go. So this opens up the home page of the website, which has a map of Ireland showing the location of the 7 Met stations in Cork, Wexford, Louth, Monaghan and Mayo. More specifically in Ballycanoe and Castledockrell in County Wexford. There are 2 weather stations in the Craigduff catchment in Mayo, one in Lear, one in Timoleague and one in Shreenty in Cardiff. So we have an hourly update for each of those 7 Met stations. So if we pick Timoleague in County Cork, I'm going to click on the downward arrow and scroll up a little bit. You can see there between 12 and 1 o'clock today, the air temperature was 17.4 degrees. There was no rainfall in that hour. The average soil temperature was 15.7 degrees. The wind direction was coming from the east at a speed of 12.7 kilometers per hour. Now we can get more details than the most recent hour for that. So if I click on the more details button, it brings me to a page specifically for the details for the Timoleague catchment. If I want, I can click on the button there, description of the catchment area. It'll give me details on Timoleague agricultural catchment area. And again, we have the 6 different weather parameters that we are displaying on the website. Air temperature 17.4, speed of wind 12.7 kilometers, no rainfall, soil temperature at 15.7, wind direction from the east 100 degrees, and the potential evapotranspiration is 0.3 millimeters in that hour. Now if I click on any of these parameters, it will give me more details. So I'm clicking on the rainfall one, and I get a graph for the last 7 days and up to the total for today. So for the last 6 days and also for today of the total rainfall. And we can see there 2 days ago it rained 22.8 millimeters in the Timoleague catchment. It was a heavy day's rain, but in the previous 7 days there's been very little. Now we can get that detail for up to 30 days or 3 or 5 days. So I'm going to select 30 days, and you can see we have a graph there with rainfall in Timoleague for the last 30 days. So you can see other than 4 days really there was very little rain that came. On the same graph as rainfall, we also have the potential evapotranspiration. So there was 4 millimeters of potential water loss through drying out and potential evapotranspiration on the 8th of June. In addition to the graph, we can download the data. A table is given below for the 30 days, and that data can be downloaded in an Excel format. So that's available for all 6 parameters. So in addition to rainfall, which I've just shown you, we could do it for air temperature, or soil temperature, or wind speed. I'll click on air temperature and we'll show you the example here. So the 30 days air temperature is given here. Going back, and you can see last day or two it's been getting a little bit warmer. It's up to 16 degrees, and the lowest average air temperature was down to just below 10 degrees on the 5th of June. And the table for air temperature gives the daily mean, daily maximum and daily minimum temperature. So see here on the 7th of June it was as cold as 3 degrees at night time. A couple of cold nights there. So if I live in that area, I would like to be able to access that quickly on my iPhone. So see on the bottom here there's a square with an arrow pointing upwards. If I click on that, I have a choice of options, and I can scroll across to add to home screen. See there's a square there with a plus, add to home screen. Click on that and it comes up with an icon for the Agricultural Catchments Programme and the text station, which I'm going to change to Timoleague. automatically it's the Timberleague there, and then I'm going to click on Done. So now you can see the icon on my home screen, ACP and Timberleague underneath it. So in the future, if I just want to open up and see what the weather is like in the Timberleague catchment area in County Cork, I just click on that and it automatically opens the Timberleague page. And we can get the hourly update on what the weather has been like. I hope you find it useful. If you have any comments, please contact us. Our details are on the website. Thank you for your time. Take care. Bye.